Here are 10 fascinating facts about pigeons. 1. Pigeons have remarkable navigation skills and can find their way back home from thousands of miles away. 2. The world's oldest pigeon, named Kaiser, lived to be 32 years old. 3. Pigeons have excellent hearing and can detect sound frequencies lower than humans can. 4. They mate for life and share parenting duties, including incubating their eggs and caring for their young. 5. Pigeon droppings were historically used as a source of saltpeter for gunpowder production. 6. They have a higher metabolism than most mammals and can digest berries and other fruit whole. 7. Some pigeon breeds, such as the Modena and the King, were specifically developed for their beauty and ornamental value. 8. Pigeon post was a popular method of delivering messages before the invention of the telegraph. 9. Pigeon racing, where birds race home from designated release points, is a popular sport in many countries. 10. The largest pigeon species is the Victoria crowned pigeon, which can grow up to 30 inches tall and weigh over 7 pounds. These intelligent birds continue to surprise us with their adaptability, loyalty, and resilience. Their fascinating history and unique characteristics are a testament to their extraordinary nature. Subscribe to our YouTube channel MIK Islam Hub for a dose of inspiration and knowledge. We share Islamic stories, historical events, and educational content to help you learn and grow. Press the bell icon to stay updated and join our community of learners.